Good morning, everyone. I feel like I have not been on the vlog in so long, but good morning. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Makeda. If you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. You know what it is. So hold on, let me turn off this light. Is that better? That was like kind of washed me out. Okay, maybe this is better. Okay, so today, well, not even today, yesterday, we came to New York and I actually have a shoot today with the photographer. Her name is Anna. So I'm literally just getting ready right now. I have on the first outfit, which is this green army dress. I'm gonna add my perfume, and yes, I wear perfume. I like to smell good all the time, photo shoot or not photo shoot, I'm putting on perfume. This is by Dossier. If you guys are not familiar, have you guys been on my channel? You know I love Dossier. Dossier is a fragrance brand that is making luxury fragrances affordable to everyone, and I absolutely love that because we all deserve luxury, especially if it smells good. They have your top luxury fragrances from Tom Ford to YSL to Gucci, all of that, but not the price tag. Today I am wearing powdery coconut. It's like one of my favorites. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm just gonna spray some behind my ear. And I love this because it's travel friendly. And look at the bottle, so cute, so sleek. Thank you, Dossier. I'm so excited. We're doing 4 looks. I wasn't prepared to do 4 looks because usually they're like an hour's 3 looks, but she was like, I can do 4. I was like, okay. We came to New York like a few months ago. We came to New York last time to shoot and it did not work out because I was super late. Like everything went wrong. But we're back. We are back. So this is the first look. So I have this leather dress, these shoes to match, and then I have my little bag. I think it's pretty simple. I'll get the job done. So y'all, we are back from the shoot. Then we are back from the shoot. It was so cold, it was so windy. I couldn't even get through the shoot, how cold it was. And I saw on TikTok, of course, saw on TikTok, and this girl, oh my gosh, tears came to my eyes. Her and her man went out drinking, and she like fell in the snow and she got like frostbites. So that's all I could think about. And like she lost like a few of her fingers. Yeah, and ever since then, I just, when I'm cold, I'm like, dang, I get like paranoid. But anyways, we went to Joe and the Juice. Joe and the Juice, not Joe in the Juice. Is it Joe and the Juice? Anyways, we went. It's so cute. It's like pink. Can you see it? Let me go into the... Anyways, I'm sure you guys have seen this on Tickety Talk. We got the famous tuna avocado. I love avocado and tomato. Told them to put some salt and pepper on it, and let's see. Not bad. We also went to Miss Lily's last night. It's a Jamaican restaurant. I forgot where it is. There's one in the Grill in Jamaica, there's one in New York, and then there's one in Dubai. The staff was so nice. The food was so good. Yeah, Miss Lily's, it's the best Jamaican food I've had up here. And Joe and the Juice is not bad. I like the bread. This is really good. How everybody's acting, if it didn't have salt and pepper, if they didn't add the salt and pepper, it wouldn't be good. But I like the bread. I like it. And it seems healthy too. All right, y'all. I'm gonna eat. We're gonna pack up. All right, y'all. This is good. Hello, everyone. So I am back from New York. My aunt is back from New York as well. We are back. I just picked up the camera because I'm actually at event by myself. It's like for it's called Babes in Business. It's like, oh my gosh, Rowan, these shoes are tight. So it's for this company, Babes in Business. I'm so late because I was having the part of my car, like, I don't know, part of my car like ripped off. My dad was literally there helping me for almost an hour, bless his heart. And then on top, oh, let me make sure the panel is going on, so I'm gonna be like walking in on people talking, which is not fun. So guys, hi everyone, it is the next day. I didn't even really get to vlog that much at the event, but it was like a really nice event. I would go back again, but I would do things a little bit differently. If they have another one close, I'm definitely gonna go because I do see where I could network there. But right now I'm just at the nail salon. Like, look at my nails, they look, they're a struggle. This one, I type a lot, so this one is, I hope they can fix it. I'm trying to grow back my nails and stuff. I like the shape. I'm gonna tell her keep the shape. The girl that does my nails doesn't work here anymore, so they gave me somebody new. But when I called, I was like, hey, her name's Emily. I was like, hey, is Emily available? They're like, oh, she doesn't work here anymore. I was like, okay. I was like, I just want to get like dip. I do dip like 3 times in a row, and then I just go to gel because my nails grow like pretty fast. 2 to 3 times. This is my first time, so the second time they probably will be good. I won't, because I don't like them too long because I'm typing. And they were like, oh, Emily's not there anymore or whatever. So I was like, okay, I just want to do dip. And she's like, okay, just what time? I was like 2. And I was like, can I have somebody that like knows how to do like good shaping and can like do it really well? And she's like, oh, okay, let me check to see if she's available. So you were just gonna give me anybody? You gotta ask for what you want, boo. All right, I gotta go because my appointment is in 2 minutes and I wanna be on time just so they're not like, oh, you were late. Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new, my name is Makeda. If you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So I literally ran outside of the house because my nail, I literally had to run outside of the house because my nail broke on the side and it looks horrible. One thing about me, my nails and my toes will always be done. Always. That is just something I like. I feel uncomfortable when my toes aren't done, when my nails aren't done. Some people, it's like their hair has to be done. You know what I mean? I really like when to be honest, I like when my nails and my toes and my lashes are done, but the person that does my lashes is in school right now, so, and I don't keep up with her because it's expensive to get like your lashes done all the time. Like, I wish I was one of those girls that could just do her own lashes because I love that feeling. I'm really like focusing on clearing up my skin. I have like not a lot, but I have like a few like dark marks that I am going to a dermatologist in June because they're all booked up. So just to get my dark marks gone, like I just love looking good and feeling good. But I came on here because I wanted to let you guys know this is gonna be like a prepping video. So I'm going to Miami on Thursday. I will literally be there for 24 hours and then I come back. I never vlog, but I'm vlogging this time. I took off the day and I made plans to like do things. Like I want to go to like the Versace mansion, so I made reservation for lunch there. I have like this cute basic like black dress, but it's so cute, it hugs me so good. A little pair of heels. Like I just want to have fun when I go. So I actually like made plans to do things, and then I want to go to like one of these like museums because I love museums. And I wish I could go on a helicopter ride, but unfortunately you have to go with like 2 people. They won't like just let you do it by yourself, which is so crazy. Like I'll just pay the money, but whatever. Anyways, so I'm here getting my nails done. Miami on Thursday, come back. Jamaica is on Monday. So yes, I'm going to Jamaica. It's been so, I feel like it's been so long since I've been in Jamaica, and I know it's not that long, it can't be. But my mom and I and Leash are all going to Jamaica on Monday. I am coming back up on the Thursday and they are staying longer. So it's gonna be short, but it's gonna be short and sweet. So I get there on Monday. I want to get braids on Tuesday, and then Wednesday is my grandma's surprise birthday party. So Leash has not been back to Jamaica, I think, in 3 years, or like 2 years. 3 or 2 years. I think it's 3 years. Hasn't been. Oh, she's calling me right now. Look at that. She gonna live long. Hello? Yeah? I was just talking about you on the vlog.
Yes, sir.
I said I was just talking about you on the vlog. You're gonna live long. No, I'm at Envy because I'm gonna go get my nails fixed. I didn't know if you wanted me to make an appointment for you. Yeah. What time? Sorry, I was drinking something.
You coming?
No, girl, I won't even be here.
Where are you going to?
Girl, I'm going to. Didn't I tell you I'm going to Miami? I won't be here.
So what time are you gonna make it up?
I don't know. It's up to you what time you want to come.
11 o'clock.
11 a.m. Why don't you wait until mom gets off work so you both can go together? Or you don't want to do that?
But then I'm going to fix your temple.
I don't know. I thought you both needed your nails, your toes, and your brows done.
We don't know. But we don't know. We have to talk to them first.
Alright. Alright, let me talk to mom and see.
Alright, no problem.
Okay, you know this girl did not polish my toes good. Count your days, ma'am. What was I gonna say to you? Is it okay for me to say on the vlog that you haven't been back to Jamaica in 3 years?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so bye, love you.
Bye, love you too.
So yeah, she says okay. So yeah, Leash has not been back to Jamaica in 3 years. It's so crazy. So we're surprising everyone. So my mom, so we told my grandma that, my grandma is so smart. I love her. She was like, she kind of knows like something is happening, because my mom's like, oh mama, I'm like coming down, like we're gonna throw a party for my grandma, which is my great grandma. She's like, you guys, wait, why are you gonna throw like a big party? You usually just like, you know, get her gifts and stuff like that. Like you're gonna do a party. You guys never do like a party because we're never there for her birthday. Her birthday is May 3rd. She's turning 35 years old. I mean 35. My grandma is turning 85 years old. My great grandma is turning 85 years old, and we are throwing her 85th birthday. It's gonna be a surprise. She doesn't know that I'm coming, my mom's coming, or Leash is coming. Like my grandma just said, hey, I'm gonna be cooking on Wednesday, like I want you to come for dinner. That's all she said. So hopefully she shows up, because she's her own woman, you know, whatever her mind tells her to do, that's what she does. But so yeah, so Leisha hasn't been in 3 years. I don't remember how long I haven't been. Mom was just down there. We are surprising my grandma, which is Leisha's mom and my mom's mother, for so Leish and I are surprising my grandmother, which is Leisha's mom and my mom's mother. And then we are all, my mom, my aunt, and me, are going to surprise my great-grandma with a surprise birthday party. So it's kind of like a lot of surprises in one. The birthday party is Wednesday. I leave Thursday. I have to come back and get back to work. I have so much stuff like I have to do. So yeah, so that's where I am in life. I am about to head into the nail salon because they close at 5, and I don't know if they're gonna give me problems. I don't know if they're gonna give me problems because they didn't do my nails, but I need them fixed. Period, host. And I always have like my own dip powder because I don't know, fungus is no joke. You can get fungus with your own thing, like if they don't properly put it on, but yeah. So let's get in there. I got my toes done and they look like, I don't know, they look fine, but I'm just gonna put some cuticle oil on. And yeah, let's go in here. I'm like new to this. I've been to this nail salon before, and the last time they did my nails, I did not like them, but they're just fixing. They're just fixing. I literally just hopped out of the house really quick because, don't worry, I'm a baddie.